Hello friends, today's topic largest stocks in 10 different sectors. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is the financial education of society. Every week, thousands of new investors subscribe to our YouTube channel. They hardly have any information about the stock markets. They keep asking us which companies to study about and where to start. Since stocks represent business which are part of the different sectors, investors must focus on what products and services companies sell. By knowing this, we can gradually understand their future scope and the profitability of the company. We have listed 10 major sectors and largest companies in each sector based on market cap so that all investors, especially new ones, can study more. First is automotive sector. Number 1, Maruti Suzuki, market cap 3,57,803 crores, 5-year returns 11%, 10-year returns 21%. 2. Tata Motors, market cap 3,43,481 crores, 5 returns 42%, 10-year returns 9%. Number 3. M&M, market cap 2,28,256 crores, 5-year returns 24%, 10-year returns 15%. Second sector is banking and finance sector. Number 1, HDFC Bank, 10,78,493 crores, 5 returns 6%, 10-year returns 16%. 2, ICICI Bank, market cap 7,18,061 crores, 5 returns 25%, 10-year returns 19%. 3. SBI, market cap 6,73,540 crores, 5 returns 24%, 10-year returns 17%. Now the third sector, cement sector. 1. Ultratech Cement, market cap 2,86,268 crores, 5 returns 24%, 10-year returns 19%. 2. Ambuja Cements, market cap 1,16,180 crores, 5 returns 24%, 10-year returns 14%. 3. Shree Cement, market cap 94,885 crores, 5 returns 11%, 10-year returns 20%. 4. Chemical sector, Asian Paints 2,88,517 crores, 5 returns 17%, 10-year returns 20%. 2. Pidilite Industries, market cap 1,37,889, 5 returns 20%, 10-year returns 26%. 3. Berger Paints, market cap 65,620 crores, 5 returns 19%, 10 returns 25%. 5. Engineering sector. Number 1, L&T, market cap 4,65,553 crores, 5 returns 22%, 10 returns 17%. 2. Adani Ports, market cap 2,82,298 crores, 5 returns 30%, 10 returns 23%. 3. Cements India, market cap 1,56,645 crores, 5 returns 36%, 10 returns 23%. Now coming to the sixth sector, food and beverage sector. Number 1, Nestle, market cap 2,39,849 crores, 5 returns 19%, 10 returns 17%. 2. Britannia, market cap 1,18,355 crores, 5 returns 11%, 10 returns 27%. 3. Dabur, market cap 96,488 crores, 5 returns 5%, 10 returns 12%. 7. Technology sector. Number 1, TCS, market cap 15,10,566 crores, 5 returns 16%, 10 returns 14%. 2. Infosys, 7,06,261 crores, 5 returns 18%, 10 returns 14%. 3. HCL Tech, market cap 4,52,490 crores, 5 returns 26%, 10 returns 16%. Number 8 sector is metal sector. 1. JSW Steel, market cap 2,515 crores, 5 returns 26%, 10 returns 25%. 2. Tata Steel, market cap 1,76,222 crores, 5 returns 25%, 10 returns 15%. 3. Hindalco, market cap 1,32,316 crores, 5 returns 5%, 10 returns 10%. The ninth sector which I am talking is oil and gas sector. Number 1, Reliance Industries, market cap 19 lakh 76,358 crores, 5 returns 21%, 10 returns 23%. 2. ONGC, market cap 3 lakh 45,580 crores, 5 returns 15%, 10 returns 4%. Number 3. IOC, market cap 2 lakh 64,067 crores, 5 returns 18%, 10 returns 17%. 10th sector is pharmaceutical sector. Number 1, Sun Pharma, market cap 3 lakh 62,288 crores, 5 returns 30%, 10 returns 9%. 2. Cipla, market cap 1 lakh 16,316 crores, 5 returns 22%, 10 returns 14%. Number 3. Dr. Reddy's Lab, market cap 1 lakh 5,376 crores, 5 returns 20%, 10 returns 9%. Some other major sectors which are represented in the stock markets are 1. Telecom, 2. Real estate, 3. Utilities, 4. Miscellaneous. In this particular video, we have talked about 10 sectors. It does not mean these are the 10 sectors you should select. Do your own research and find out. Now, I am giving an assignment for our channel members and Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates because large number of people are interested in assignments. By doing assignments, you will improve your skills of investing. Make a list of 3 companies with highest market cap in telecom sector and mention their market cap and 5 to 10 returns. To know which companies have highest market cap, you can check on moneycontrol.com or Google it. To know 5 to 10 year returns of the stocks, you can check on screener.in website. To give you an example, I have made a sample form to be filled up by you as an assignment. Here is an announcement. ಎಲ್ಲ ಷೇರುಗಳು ಹಿಮಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ on 20th February, Tuesday between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. YouTube live. Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute, Kannada channel. Now there are some observations regarding today's video. Number 1, we have compiled a list of top 3 companies based on market capitalization for each of the 10 major sectors. 2. The companies with the highest market cap may or may not be the most profitable companies in the particular sector. 3. This video has been made for channel members to know which are the different sectors available for investment. 4. After research, you may select 8 to 10 different sectors for investment for long term. 5. After you select the sectors, you can shortlist which company you want to invest in that particular sector. 6. However, always note that you will need to monitor your stocks once in 3 months. Don't buy and forget. At the end of the video, here is a question. As per experts, an investor has to ideally invest in how many companies? 5 to 6 companies, B 14 to 16 companies, C 18 to 20 companies, D 8 to 10 companies. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.